Mr. Mandievan, so here it is. Here is my second favorite gun. The Springfield Extreme Duty 9. Or everyone else knows it, the XD9. Reasons why I love this thing. Great feel in hand. Pretty good trigger. Easy takedown. Come on, it's reliable. I've fed so many different types of ammo through this thing. It just keeps striking. The reason why it's not my favorite is it is a little heavy. I'll give you that. And it can be a little uncomfortable carrying all day, which I've done. Well, there it is. My second favorite handgun.